Did you know a single mom working 3 jobs turned $25 a week into $8,000 monthly? Here's how Jessica did it. Everyone told Jessica she was too poor to invest. While working 3 jobs as a single mother, she saved just $25 weekly from her tips. Her coworkers laughed at her. They spent their money on lottery tickets and coffee instead. "You're wasting your time," they said. "Saving is pointless on minimum wage." Jessica ignored them. She used her small savings to buy her first duplex with an FHA loan. She lived in one side and rented out the other half. Her neighbors called her crazy. "You'll never make it as a slumlord," they mocked. But Jessica had a plan. Each year she bought another small property using her rental income. She never upgraded her lifestyle. Every profit went back into buying more real estate. After 15 years, Jessica owned 12 rental properties. They generated $8,000 in monthly passive income. That's more than her original 3 jobs combined. She quit working for others and now helps other single mothers build wealth through real estate.